Hi everyone, Flora from Floor Stitch. This tutorial is about making a face mask as requested by friends. It is very beginner friendly and I'm sure you will find it easy to do. Let's start. You will need for your supplies the following: a number 4 yarn. You can choose any color you like. And for this project, I'm going to use color pink. 4mm crochet hook, tapestry needle, scissors, sewing needle, thread, measuring tool, pins, and a piece of cloth for lining the mask. As you can see, I made a few samples here with this beautiful blue and orange colors. So let's start with a slip knot and chain 29. Make sure the chain is not twisted. Insert hook in second chain from the hook and work single crochets 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In the next 16 stitches, work half double crochet and work 6 single crochets in the remaining 6 stitches. You have made your foundation chain. Chain 1 and turn to start the first row. Work 6 single crochets in the next 6 stitches, starting from the first stitch, followed by 16 half double crochets and 6 single crochets across to complete the row, using back loop only. Repeat this pattern: 6 single crochets, 16 half double crochets, 6 single crochets for the next rows until you reach 5 inches in length. Slip stitch all the 4 sides to have a clean finish. For the straps, chain 26. You can add more depending on your size. And slip stitch to the corner on the other side. Cut extra yarn. Do the same for the other side and weave in all extra yarns to hide. For the liner, cut it like the shape of the mask, but a little bit smaller. Fold just a 1/4 of an inch on all sides and start to sew using a whip stitch. Make sure the thread doesn't show on the front side of the mask as you stitch. I finished sewing. Isn't it pretty? Hope you enjoyed. And if you like this video, please like, and if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to press that subscribe button. See you in the next video and thank you for watching.